Hi everyone, we're back again with part 2 of my unboxing, and in this video I'll show the main kit and the papers that come with it, and I'll show the mini kit, the Paisley Press mini kit, and a closer look at my album that I chose for this year. Go ahead and dive right in. The kits are now available in these fun, eco-friendly paper boxes. They just slide open and closed. And you can also use this paper to make some fun elements for your album. And starting last year, Allie and her team started giving 10 by 8s instead of 6 by 8 papers. So this is perfect for the new large album they have as an option. And it's also great for people who like to punch their paper and work outside the page. Let's go ahead and look at the papers first. And I'll leave timestamps for everything so you know like where the unboxing for this starts and for the album, etc. So here we go. These papers are not double-sided, but they're very sturdy. So you get the black with the white, kind of looks like snowflakes. This one with the tags, I love this. It's outlined in gold foil. So you can, I think they have tags available that you can use brads to attach for a fun interactive element. Get some squares. This is probably my favorite pattern in the whole kit. Beautiful. Nice collage of woodland animals, a ledger. Beautiful stars with the fun traditional reds and greens, and there's like an outline in the foil. December, I love that. Beautiful trees. Ho 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 on red. This is super elegant. I don't know if you can see all the words in gold foil, and it looks like there's song lyrics on there. It says, "Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more." This is beautiful. It has beautiful houses, a beautiful night sky with that shimmery gold again. And there's that Santa pattern. I'm so excited to get a big sheet of this. Since I'm not using the Santa album this year, it'll be fun to use this. Stars there, and that is the papers that come with your purchase. You don't have to purchase it separately. It's just part of your main kit. All right, let's go through the contents of the main kit. First off, I'm seeing the nice puffy Santas and gifts. And this is on the nice puffy tape that gives it the dimensional look. These puffy stickers with lots of shimmery bits. Then you get the puffy circles. Still Merry and Bright, How We Do Christmas, Super Basic December Day, Holly Jolly Goodness, and more Twinkle Lights. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. Next up are these felt circles. I have to say, I don't think I've ever seen anything quite like these before. They're actually quite thick, all stacked together. So I think if they were spread out like top to bottom or side to side, that it would be a lot more balanced in your album. Next, you get these beautiful wood veneers. These stars are very intricate. Oh, they almost look painted. They're actually quite glossy and white on the top, and traditional brown. I guess you could flip it over if you wanted the traditional wood look. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those as well. And you also get 2 washi tape this year. That is fantastic. I know some years they haven't offered washi tape with the kit. I love that. It really matches the kit with the black and gold. You get a ton of these blank gold text strips. I don't know if they're all blank or... Oh, yeah, they are. Oh, and they're all numbered as well. Oh, that's awesome. So you could use them for like a particular day, or you could use like 3 of them and do like a top 3 list. Then you have these vellum shimmery text strips. It says, have yourself a merry little Christmas, let your heart be light. Looks like a variety of song lyrics. And your beautiful gold numbers. I love these. I think they had these in past years in a different font. So I love that they chose this font this year. This is the first year they're offering 4x4 Instagram size papers, and then you still get your 3x4s and your full 4x6. So I'll save that for the end. And I think Ali mentioned that there's slightly less 3x4s now that they're introducing this new size. Next up are these acetate words, and they're large. These are actually one of the reasons I got the main kit this year. I think they're my favorite part that really drew me in. So I'll move that over, and you've got Twinkle. I love the different combo and color and the capital letters with the lowercase letters. You have Mary, Fa La La, Jingle, and Bah Humbug. Those are so cool. Next up, we have the nested circles in the blacks and golds again. Actually, I'll just leave it in there. They just pop right out, so you end up having 1, 2, 3 fun pieces. You have this nice pleather December that could fit in a 3x4 slot. That would be great for your title page. And lastly are these vellum tags. I think they're vellum. Let me double check. Oh, yeah, they're vellum. I thought maybe they were acetate at first, but these are great. And you get, oh, there's a lot of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's put everything back in here, and we will go through the cards that come with this kit. And we'll just zoom in a little. Start with the 4x4. What I love about these is this beautiful font around the tree, and then they have in a more basic font underneath in this beautiful delicate gold. Around the tree, happy as can be. I just love cards that are prompts, so you can use this for your decorating your tree page, merry and bright moments, magical moments with loved ones, traditions we love, gather together, peace and joy on earth, believe in magic, and memories to treasure. Those are beautiful. All right, let's dig into the 3x4s and 4x6s. And I can definitely tell already that there's less. It's a lot thinner. There we go. So we'll begin with the 3x4s. I love that this is kind of like sideways Christmas in gold. The 3 Santas saying ho ho ho. The gold kind of snowflakes. There's that woodland print again, a red gold frame, and the ho 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 journaling card. So you get 3 filler cards and 3 journaling cards. And for the 4x6s, there's these beautiful gifts with the gold bow. And to all a good night. And I don't know if you can tell, there's little stars scattered throughout. There's that twinkle again. The beautiful wreath with the red bow. That fun square checkered pattern with different elements from the kit in each square. And a frame perfect for journaling. So that is everything you get in the main December 2022 kit. All right, next up, let's skip and do our album next. And then lastly, I'll show you the mini kit. They're always packaged so well. There's the gold plate on the edge. Beautiful, no scratches. And I love the inside of this one. I think some years, actually last year I think had a lot of black. And then some years I think they're just white, but this red stripe is very striking. Love it. So every album comes with different designed plastics. So you get your 4x6, or no, this is your full 6x8s. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 full 6x8s. And then you get 2 full 2x2s. So you get 3, 6, 9, 12 2x2 pocket pages. So you get 2 of those. Next is the 2 3x4s and a full 4x6 at the bottom. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. And then you get the 1, 2, 3, 4 3x4 configuration, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. And lastly is the 2 4x6s, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those as well. So these albums are great just to get so many varieties in plastics. I love it. It's really worth your money. And lastly is the Paisley Press mini kit. And this cover is actually slightly different than the main kit. This one's a little more script and fancy, I would say. And this is more of a bold print on the main kit. All right, let's open it up and take a look. Oh, it slides out so easily. Though I have to admit, I kind of missed the magnetic closure that we had one year. That was my favorite. It's been like a decade and I still use those magnetic containers for storage. All right, so the first thing you get is some painted wood veneers. Be Bright, Peace, All the Joy, My Favorite Place, and Gathered Together. Next are your 3x4 and 4x6 cards, and I'll go through those at the end as well. You get some acetate transparency sheets. So you get 1 in polka dot 4x6 and 3 3x4s. Those are beautiful. So this one actually kind of looks like the cover of the box, which is brilliant. And then you have kind of a floral print and oh what fun in gold. I love those. Next up is your puffy sticker sheet, and oh, they have a bunch of different little hearts and coordinating colors. Oh my gosh, it's cute. A little Starbucks cup or coffee cup, kind of generic. And then all of these. Then you have your chipboard stickers, which I love getting because every mini kit or every Paisley Press mini kit comes with this sticker every year with the year on it. So December 2022, and I love using this sticker for the spine of my albums. So you can count on that sticker every year. And lastly, the mini kit comes with 6x8s. I'll go ahead and go through these papers first before going through the stack of little ones. There's that beautiful font again with the gold foil. And they're not double-sided, but they do have this fun kind of grid pattern on the back. This is Happiness. Fun little kind of basic green flecks. I love this one. That is stunning. And the great thing is, if you don't use it for Christmas, you could easily use something like this for a floral spring print or summer. Plaid in green. December and that fun configuration. You could do some journaling. This is fun. It gives me like a vibe for like adult coloring book. Christmas trees and your full December calendar. I believe the mini kits do come with a calendar every year. And lastly, I'll go through the 3x4s and 4x6s. And you do get a nice big stack of 3x4s, and these are all double-sided. Love this in red. It's kind of flecked off a little bit here during the cutting process, I think. But then they have it again in white with black. I'll just move the 4x6s aside. Mary. Holiday cheer in a cup. That's fantastic. I do like to do a Christmas drink every year. The most wonderful surprise, time of year, adventure. 'Tis the season. Plaid. So it's like a filler card on one side and a journaling card on the other. The most wonderful surprise, time of year, red and black options. 'Tis the season. In gold and black. This pattern again in black and yellow. Hearts filled with cheerfulness. I don't know why, but all my edges are kind of frayed and discolored. This one's in gold, hearts filled with cheerfulness. I love this card with all the hearts. That one really drew me into the kit. And then a different configuration of colors. And kind of the brown craft paper and black. The merriest day of the year in red and then in black. There's the plaid and full. The simplest things bring the most joy. That one's not shimmery. And then, oh, this side is December in black and then in red. There's that flecked pattern again. And then in kind of a taupe color. It's lovely weather for baking, a leisurely walk, cozying up by the fireplace, staying in and putting up decorations. And then in black, there's that beautiful floral print again, and then a full one. And I believe that's the cover of the floral album. I didn't pick that one. I thought maybe I'd go back and purchase one for a future project, maybe not for the holidays, but then they sold out, so that's all right. And this one in green, it's all very messy, and then again in black. Those are gorgeous. And then for the 4x6s, you have Joy with that beautiful floral print and solid. Holiday cheer delivered in gold and black, merry and bright, gold and black. Red frame, oh what fun. In black and red, and the details. Kind of looks like a postcard in red and black. So that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. I do have a couple more unboxings that I want to show you. I've just been getting over a really bad head cold, but I do have a kit by Felicity Jane, a couple pieces, and a couple things from Ellie's studio and a scrapbook.com order. So I'll show you everything that I'm really hoping to work with this year. And yeah, I'll stay tuned for those videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.